Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. This is Kevin, and I'm grateful that you're going to take a moment out of your day to watch this video. Now, the topic of this discussion is the Dad's DeFi Space Creator Token, or what I like to say, the community token. Um, right now, we have some updates to provide. Now, first and foremost, there are plans within the near future for some token locks or burns, which is always good for a project. If you take a look at Dad's DeFi Space token right now, we're sitting at about a 20,005 market cap. Our total volume is up to $10,000, and we are just pumping up the holders. If you were involved in the creator token space, you really want your token to get holders, more holders, no matter whether the price is going up or down. This supports a higher price floor. So if people sell off, it's not going to hurt the holders as much. Now, what we did is that we have moved around some of our dad's DeFi space tokens that we have earned as rewards and have bought ourselves. We are invested in our own project. And now, before I go any farther, please understand that SocialFi tokens are new, they are experimental, they are risky, and there is no promise of any growth or financial incentive. These are basically meme tokens based off of a social network. So no one should expect a profit, and please be careful when playing in this space. But I wanted to draw your attention to something that we did yesterday. This F6B8 address is our Aerodrome pool that I established that I can show you on our bubble maps. As you can see here, Dad's DeFi Space and the Uniswap liquidity pool are the largest holders of the Dad's DeFi Space token. And our fourth largest holder is our Aerodrome liquidity pool. That's about 1.3% of the supply, around 13.28 million tokens. Now, the USD value here is only counting the USDC value within the vault. If you use the price of Dad's DeFi Space, I think it is around a $500 liquidity pool. There's been around 2K transfers out of this liquidity pool, and I love it because I get a lot less slippage on Aerodrome than I do on the Zora app. As you can see even some of my own trades right here. Anyway, so these are ways to show your community that you're in it for the long haul and that you truly want to grow your token. It's okay. Just make sure you shut the door. I'm almost done. Now, right now, we are going to Aerodrome Finance. And if you look, you'll see that we actually have two liquidity pools. This one I will add capital to later. It's a Dad's DeFi Space wrapped ETH because that's what everybody trades with on EVM chains. But this is the pool I'm talking about. It's actually $552.70 right now. I've earned a little bit of fees, not much, but you can see I'm hoping that we can get this pool large enough and confirmed enough that we can actually stake and maybe get some arrow rewards with this one, but that's a little bit in the future. What we're deciding is, do I want to establish the next one on Uniswap or Aerodrome? I'm really not for certain, but I just wanted to make my community members aware of a few things. One, we're adding liquidity to this pool to make for lower slippage with trades. Two, we have some burns with posts, and our own creator token or locks scheduled in the near future. That will be beneficial for the token and for the community. Also, I plan on so much more. And if you want to find out what we're planning at Dad's DeFi Space, go check us out on Paragraph. This is the Dad's DeFi Space Substack on Paragraph, and you can see our most recent posts. If you scroll down a little bit farther, we have our most recent light paper update. Now, if you go through our light paper, you'll find out our goals, problems that I believe exist with the creator token space, our mission, the solution, and what we hope to do under utility and use cases, and what's coming next, right? So, next on our list is we hope to lock liquidity or burn tokens for both transparency and trust. Um, Launch token burns of some of our favorite tradable posts to showcase our own conviction in our project. I'm about to launch a writer coin with this same Substack. We're probably going to allow people to hopefully hold Dad's DeFi Space token or the writer coin to get access into some of our alpha content on Paragraph. And I hope to eventually hold an airdrop to early token holders. We have not developed the details to this yet, but we will in the near future. Now, I'm going to be experimenting with some staking vaults also because I know that there's some community members who would love to stake tokens. If you're out there, Zora gods, please put staking opportunities within the Zora app. That would be awesome. And if you have any good ideas for Dad's DeFi Space or Zora, please let us know in the comments below. There are good tokens and good communities out there, but it does take a lot to find them. So, again, this video was just a quick update on our community token, next steps, and processes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any time. Remember, none of this is investment advice, and our community token will eventually be used to grant access into our Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystems. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, go outside, touch some grass. Peace.